Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is the Mendozas. Today I'm gonna unpack or unbox my first BeybladeX. So this package came from, again, China. So let's open it with my X-Acto knife. Alright, so this is my first BeybladeX. So I ordered a Dransword BX-01. Okay. So here in the Philippines is this Beyblade. It is a little bit hard to get this Beyblade because nowadays it's a pretty rare thing in my country. So the legit one, Dransword. This one it has stickers here. Money, it says money. Maybe this is the distributor in China. Here in the Philippines, I think the distributor of this Beyblade is Banky. So I know this is a little bit late, a year ago. So this is my Dransword, my first BeybladeX. So let me open this first. And oh, there's a scotch tape at the bottom also. Okay, let me get my Beyblade. So nothing follows, just one. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, the manual. So let's check the manual first. And it has a flyer, I think. And it has a silhouette Beyblade here. This is the next item. Of course, you know what's the next item already. Next is the instruction manual. No stickers. This is my first BeybladeX, and it's not compatible on Beyblade Burst. Okay. And let's go into the main event. The ripcord first. Wow, this is the ripcord. Let me get it first. I don't have Beyblade Burst in my past videos. As you watch it, my Burst base, I sold it already. So this is the ripcord. The launcher. Wow, it has a nice launcher, very futuristic. Nice. Very nice plastic quality compared to the wow, and it has nice gearing inside. Nice, I love it. Next, and the Beyblade itself, my first BeybladeX. Wow. Oh, this is my flat tip. The ratchet, this is 360. And the blade itself, wow, it's so tiny. Wow, this is pretty heavy, and it's so tiny. And let's put it together. Wow. My first BeybladeX. Nice. So let's compare it to from my mid-fake Beyblades. So here's my mid-fake Beyblades. So first, let's compare to my Flash Sagittarius. And this is my, oh, the size is equal, as you can see. Next, my Phantom Orion. Next to my Fang Leo. Nice. To my El Drago Destroy. And to my Big Bang Pegasus. They got the same size, but the height, this one is higher. I love the design of this Beyblade. I love it. I like it more than the bursts. Yep, this is how you made the Beyblade. Thank you, Takara Tomy. So there you have it, my unboxing of my own my first BeybladeX. So see you on my next content. And I don't have, as of the moment, I don't have my stadium for this Beyblade, so I cannot test spin this. So, and this is just my first BeybladeX. I don't have any other variants of this. I will buy it soon, maybe in next further content. Let's see. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog.